All right. What are we doing, Bryce?
Getting all the grease out of the car.
Degreasing. So everything's been pulled, everything's been taped off that's meaningful, and we're degreasing the crap out of it. What are we using? Hold it up, like this way. Simple Green Pro HD Heavy Duty Degreaser. So you can get this in a a gallon jug. And the shop is a mess. And then it just deletes it. So it makes like 56 bottles. Now we made it a little stronger because we really want to get this out of here. So he's spritzing down everything, and we're gonna let it soak and spritz it some more. And then we're gonna get the pressure washer out, and we are going to just pressure wash the crap out of this. And then once it dries, then we're gonna start sanding, and we still gotta take off the steering box and a few other things. And we'll take off the motor mounts, but at least we'll get the main crap out of here and start sanding on all the wheel wells, making it all look nice so we can paint this thing. So this is only the first stage. Now that once this gets pressure washed and sanded down and primered, we're going to let that dry, obviously. And then we're going to take my lift, and it has casters. We're going to wheel the lift out here on my driveway. And then we're going to put this car up on the lift, raise it up, and we're going to pressure wash. We're going to degrease and pressure wash the entire underside of this car. And that way it'll be all nice and clean. And then we're going to take a Raptor liner, and we're going to, like a bed liner, like in the back of a pickup or something. So we're going to bed liner the entire underneath this car and make it all nice and clean. And that when we start putting all our new parts on, it's a nice clean unit. And it should be good. Now, we started taking the dash out yesterday because the mice were in here and we had to clean all that stuff out. And we're about to put the dash back up, and then we're going to work on the floorboards too. So little bit by little bit, we're making progress. But we'll check back in here a little later once we get the pressure washing all done. And maybe we'll check back in as we're sanding and priming those spots. What do you think, Bryce?
Yeah.
That work for you?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I think we need a new
You broke it?
The handle came off of it.
Bro, I just bought that.
I was just spraying and it came off.
You were just spraying. Do you hear that, folks?
Yes.
It's always Junior.
It's not. You break things all the time.
All right.
All right. Well,
I have another squeezy bottle. We'll figure it out. Jeez.